QSI stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So quantum SI stock for me in general is such a bullish market, but again, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars in courses and mentorships, and I've documented everything. With QSI, it all began like when the price just started demolishing these highs. And honestly, I'm just like looking for a way to get that like double break on like a 15 or a 5-minute chart in order for me to buy. And unless I see that, then there's just no way that I'll buy or just get involved in this. I'll be perfectly honest with you. So that's how QSI looks like. I would not even like experience FOMO. I mean, even if I do, I would just not act upon it, you know, because that's totally normal part of the trading game. But sometimes, you know, you just have to let some fires burn. You just have to burn the boats. But that's how QSI looks like for me. The confirmation must happen in order for me to move forward. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.